my friends, welcome back. I'm here with a new playlist for you. I thought it'd be a good idea to expand a little bit on what we do here in this channel. And in addition to Python, I'm not going to drop teaching you how to code in Python and like giving you cool Python project ideas and, the fun projects and, the advanced topics in Python and everything that we've been talking about so far. But in addition to Python and, probably other programming languages that we will be discussing hopefully soon, I also want to talk a bit about AI. Everyone is talking about AI. AI is taking over and, or stuff like that. So I thought if you are into programming and enjoy technology, you will probably also enjoy learning more about AI. So I created this new playlist and I named it the AI tips, tools, and news, right? And that is exactly what I'm planning to do in this playlist. All I want to do is talk about some emerging AI tools, and I also want to show you some tips and tricks when it comes to using AI tools. Um, so to get started, the first thing, like a good idea I thought would be to introduce you a website that you can use to generate full HD, 100% free AI generated videos. Okay, let's get started. I have it open here, but forget about it. I'm just going to open a new window. The website that you need to log into for this purpose is called the Morph Studio, right? I'll put a link in the description of this video if you needed that. So if you go to the website, Morph Studio, and then you will see this page in here, all you need to do is to click on the join beta in Discord, right? So it opens Discord for you. If you don't have Discord, just install Discord. It's a really cool tool. Like if you're into gaming, you probably know all about it, but that's fine. If you're not, just like install it, and it sends you something like this, and you just go accept invite, right? That's all you need to do. And then it opens Discord for me. And this is basically the same page that I had here, right? Um, so it opens the page for me, and this is the environment, right, that you get to work with. And here on the left, you can see like a lot of options. It has different channels for video generation, and it also has like themed video generation, right? Like you can go to the horror theme, then like you can see what everyone has been. You see like different users, right? I don't necessarily know all these people, but like people are generating different stuff with that. And yeah, there's like a lot of cool options that you can explore here. But if you want to generate your own video, all you need to do is to choose like one of these 10 channels in here, right? Let's say channel 4. And you go here and he can see examples of people generating some videos, right? So if you want to generate a video, all you need to do here, down here in the prompt, you just go slash video and it shows your prompt, right? It says, do you want to do this? Like, are you trying to select this? And you say, yes, I want to select that. And it says, okay, what is your prompt? So all you need to do, this is a text to video converter, right? So you can just like put a description of your video here. And let's say I want to say a boy shopping at a grocery store, right? And just enter. And it says, well, this is my ID, Evil Zeus. And it says, hi, your ID, Morph is imagining about a boy shopping at a grocery store, right? So it takes a while for that, like maybe like 5-10 minutes. Don't worry about it. And then like at the end, you'll get a notification, right? You'll get a notification here for your channel 4 for video generation that, hey, your video is ready. And then like you can check it out. Once, like while it's working on my video, I can show you something else. The options that it gives you. You can do a lot of cool things. So I can go slash video. And oh, by the way, like there is like other options as well. If you go slash, like you can animate things. It says, as you can see, it gets image to video bot. So you provide a prompt and like an image and it animates it for you, right? It generates gifts as well and stuff like that. But let's just talk about the video that we wanted to do. So if I go video and select the prompt and then like you put your prompt here, right? Um, I don't know, like a beautiful morning, right? And then there is options. Like there are quite a few options that you can choose from, or like you can use all of them. You can go dash AR for spec ratio, right? That changes the spec ratio of your video. You want to go 16:9, you want to go 1:1. And so like you can go, I don't know, like 16:9, something like that. The other option that it gives you is that you can go dash motion and give it an integer between 0 to 10. And that is basically like how fast or slow your video, like the object in video would move. Um, the other cool option that it gives you is the, I think, yeah, you go dash camera zoom. So that's like the zoom option for your camera, how close up or like far you want it from the object. And you can either go in or out. It's just like zoom in. Um, the other options that are available for you to use is the FPS, which is frame per second. And like you can set it to 30. You can play with these variables and see what's going to happen and what the resulting video look like. By the way, you can see like this is like a live channel. People are just like commenting, and it's cool. Like if you have time to read these and people ask questions that people answer, you can see what other people generated and like get an idea of how to do things. Anyway, back to this prompt in here. You can also go dash S, and that's like in seconds the duration of your video, right? And it can be, if I'm not mistaken, anything from oh cool, our video is ready. But let me finish this. Saying FPS 30 and dash S. I think you can have anything from like 3 to 7 seconds. Like 7 seconds is the max video length that you can generate. And so we can do this. That's about it. It's like all the options that, well, maybe I don't really want to say all the options, but maybe the most useful options that you want to use for your videos. And then like you just send it and it's working on it now, right? And like as you see the video that we asked, it says a boy shopping in a grocery store, and you see it's a grocery store. Like they have some cheese in here, some plants, vegetables, and stuff like that. And then like you can obviously click it to see the video, right? Um, so that's about it. And the other cool features are like you can obviously like download the video if you want to with this thingy in here. And then you can also regenerate the video. Like this bottom here, it regenerates the video, and it's a really cool feature. Like if I click that, and you can see it says Morph is imaging about this. And so it's still like working on it to regenerate it. It usually, like my experience is that it gives me something better. But again, it could be dependent on the, like on the prompt that you use, or like, I don't know, like a lot of different factors. But I'm just saying, like, if you're not happy with the output, like you can always regenerate and enhance. It usually enhances the output. Um, I think that's about it for today's video. Let me know if you like the idea of this playlist in the channel, and if you think it's related. And also, you can tell me if you want something specific to be covered regarding the AI tools. And as always, do not forget to subscribe to my channel to support me, and also not to miss when I upload the next video. And thank you for watching me. You guys have a good one. Take care. Bye-bye.